Welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. Normally, we do not break this kind of news here, but this is a very important news. Information out of Europe from MI6 is that the great Satan, the man who has caused this big problem in the world with inflation increasing like never before, Vladimir Putin, is dead. The man is dead. And as usual, the Kremlin, they're like the Chinese. They are the poster child for propagandas and lies. So they're not telling the world what's happening. The man has been dead since the war starts. So that's why you have seen this man that is with his bloated face and stuff like that, because Vladimir Putin has been dead. So it's the British MI6, their intelligence is solid. You understand? So they are reporting reporting that this man is dead. It is a very good news for the world and the Ukraine people. So now this war, and they're supposed to, the Russian troops supposed to go back to Russia and leave Ukraine territory, because the devil is dead, and hopefully Russia won't be coming back to the fore. You understand? In the international order until they become a democratic country, because we don't want no more dictatorship or no more criminal country. Russia is a terrorist country in the world. So I want you to listen to this. This is very good news to the world. And those who are very sad about it, too bad. I am happy that this man is dead. He's Satan himself.
Now, there's a wild claim circulating in Britain. It's being attributed to the MI6, and it concerns the well-being of the Russian president. This says that President Putin is dead and that the Kremlin is using his body double for public appearances. Here's a report.
These are the headquarters of MI6, Britain's foremost secret service agency. It collects human intelligence to support the UK's national security. Their latest report is shocking. MI6 says Vladimir Putin may already be dead. Yes, the bosses at this intel body say the Russian president is no more. Is this wishful thinking, a case of state propaganda, or a fact-based assertion? No one knows for sure, but the claims are going viral. They are making headlines in Britain. Here's what they say the MI6 has told them. Putin is very ill, and when he dies, his death, it will be kept secret for weeks, if not months. There's also the possibility that he is already dead. It's impossible to know. It is believed that Putin has employed body doubles in the past when he has been unwell, and the Kremlin could be doing so now. So what are these assertions based on? If Putin is indeed dead, what caused it? The MI6 will not say. The British media will not stop guessing. Some say he had abdominal cancer. Others say he suffered from Parkinson's disease. Yet others claim it was the result of a surgery. Everyone seems to be adding to the speculation. On social media, MI6 agents are being called conspiracy theorists, given the number of times Putin has been declared dead. Many are questioning the state of British journalism. The Russian foreign minister has responded too. He has rejected all such media reports and ruled out any signs of ailment. This is what he told a French broadcaster. I don't think that sane people can see in this person signs of some kind of illness or ailment. You can watch him on screens, read and even listen to his speeches. I leave it to the conscience of those who spread such rumors. Now here's the thing. Putin's health and private life are taboo subjects in Russia. They are almost never discussed in public, forget being reported by the media. So when the West raises questions on his health, there's reason to be cynical, especially during wartime, when narratives can turn the tables. So these stories about Putin being dead, could just be a bid to demoralize Russian troops.
Yes, man. So now we
It's
have
not for
heard it
nothing that they say the
from
first
the
casualty of war.
British journalism, the information that they received from MI6. And, you know, MI6 is like the CIA, and the MI6 the intelligence are spot on when it comes on to human intelligence, because they always have someone within the Kremlin. You understand? Just like the Americans, but you know, you understand. So they are spot on with all the information and intelligence that they receive out of Russia. It's just like you know, when the CIA was telling the world what Russia was up to, and Vladimir and the Kremlin was coming out and, you know, nonsense, but, you know, BS, and it's made up, and fake news and stuff like that. Everything that the White House had released, declassified, and released to the public and the world was spot on. That has never been done in a long time in America. You understand that the White House was make sure that they're ahead of the enemy. So with this information from MI6, this is good. This is great information for the world. You understand? Because if this man is dead, you understand what I'm saying? We know that those who are there that are pretending that he's still alive, they're still gonna pay for their crimes, what they have done to Ukraine. Ukraine is not an imaginary thing, not a utopia. Ukraine is a place, and these people, you know, they are tougher fighters than the Russians, you know. So when people think that the Russians are the real fighters, the Ukrainians are tougher fighters than them. So if you even you know, historical facts about World War II or World War One, it's the Russians. The Russians, they did not fight like it. It's the Ukrainians that gave the Nazis hell. You understand? These people have some of the best fighters in Europe. And look, imagine if the Ukrainians have where they could hit Russia with missiles. You understand? And I know that Vladimir Zelensky, if he have the capability to hit Russia and the Kremlin, I know that he would do it. And I do believe that the world should give him all those technology, all those weapons, so that he can hit Russia. Because imagine somebody flattening your country and you can't do nothing to them. Oh my, and you all have to do is just defend your country. You're supposed to hit them where it hurts, you know what I'm saying? And you understand? And I do believe that Zelensky man must get the weapon them, the missiles them, that he can hit the Kremlin. You understand? Whether Vladimir Putin is dead, you understand what I'm saying? The Russians, they need to pay for what they have done. You understand? The Ukrainian people did not do Russia anything. You understand? They have been told the line, being neutral from ever since. And the biggest mistake that the Ukrainian people, people has made in the past, for the past 30 years, is to give up their nuclear weapon. I'm giving up their nuclear weapon. That's how this little midget, you understand? This midget attack the people, country, and causing chaos in the world. You understand? Yeah, I don't know why some sharp people, why they give so much problem. Because he's an insecure man. You understand? Like Kim Jong Un. You know, if you're such a great leader, you know, you're the people. You don't have to use draconian measure to control the people and the media, and you just keep lying to the people and talking about Operation when it's war. Yes, man, we're happy that he's dead, man, and I hope that had his job too. You know, Peshko and the foreign minister, that Lavrov and all those people, they're dead too. You understand? Happy and celebrating that this Satan is gone, Vladimir Putin. Yes, man. I hope in hell, man, Satan give you hell down there. You understand? Russia is the pyre of the world, and Vladimir Putin is Satan's son. You understand? Remember that, you know, all the problems in the world, all is originate from Europe. You understand? They're the one that destroy every other people, country and culture. Vladimir Putin is Satan himself. Adios, Vladimir Putin, and I hope Satan take care of you down there. Slava Ukrainia. Yeah, man. Thanks for watching the Jamaica Young Police channel. I'm happy to relay the news to you that this Satan, that this devilish man is gone. Remember, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe now, man, and share the video. Remember to like, comment, and click the notification bell so that you're the first one to get a video whenever I posted one. All the best to you and your family. One love. Long Slava, Ukrainian. We are happy that Vladimir Putin is dead, 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 dead.